What'd you guys catch?
Nothing yet.
Going on YouTube. What'd I catch? What are you laughing at? What are you laughing at? You didn't catch that either. You guys know where to grab one?
The catfish?
Yeah.
You just grab him by behind its fins up there on the side. Don't grab
These
it
ones?
near the top. No. You're gonna grab it under the belly this way. Stay away from the top.
Where do I stay? Really?
Yeah.
No, he's got. Ooh.
Yeah, don't touch the fins.
They fucking
Is he gonna get me like that?
No.
Just make sure so you can't.
Take a picture.
It's already recording. Just grab it.
Hey, you want some pliers?
Keep it on there. What about these things?
No, those ones too.
Oh, okay.
Want some pliers?
What? Where can he get me?
That top fin is the one that's gonna get you.
Okay. Oh, he like just swallowed it more. Yeah, I can't get that one. All right, we can press that. Go red.
It's red.
This is my catfish. Although there are many like it, this one is mine. My catfish has whiskers, has mouth. Hello, I'm your catfish. It's got a nasty top fin and a couple. Is this a cell cat?
No.
No.
It's not a cell cat. About what? What do you say? 16-inch catty?
Measure it.
Yeah.
We're gonna go. Come over here. Got one right here. 18-inch kitty. Word to the dorsal? 18-inch kitty. Okay, so it's an 18-inch kitty. Alright, he's going bye-bye. And he's fine. He's gonna live another day.